On the spot Sky out here with my good neighbor Bobby. 5.7 Hemi, 2014, right? Yep. Just under 100,000, maybe at 100,000. Good truck, beautiful truck. Doing an oil pump. Everybody knows that the oil pump go out around that mileage, so that's what we doing now. Replacing the oil pump. Yep. So about to pour the bolts out, put the new pump on, do a couple of little prepping and whatnot, and then go from there. Stay tuned, like and subscribe, and I'll post the finished product once the truck is back running. Stay tuned. Here we go. It's recording already. Thank you, sir. Gonna talk these 13s out. Bobby playing producer and director. Appreciate you, sir.
Yep.
I'm gonna take off $20 off of your labor fee.
Just 20.
Just 20.
Gotta get your face in there, make sure they know you doing it.
Oh, yeah. I don't recommend smoking while working on cars, but it's up to your customer if they care or not, and that's what matters. We ain't dealing with no gasoline. This is oil, synthetic, so it ain't gonna burn like that. Definitely ain't gonna burn past drop. It is unprofessional to smoke while working on cars, but it is what it is. Now, the next move is to remove the tensioner on the left while keeping tension on the timing chain and slipping a zip tie behind it to keep tension on the chain. So let's find that 10 millimeter. The bar down. We got a zip tie, which we gonna finagle behind the timing guide and the timing chain. So that way, once we slip the tensioner off, the chain will still have tension on it. You want to be careful when taking the tensioner out as well, because it has a spring. It has a spring loaded piston in it. Keep as much tension on that chain as you can. Make sure you know where your bolts is at. Your nuts and your bolts. Now you see this right here. This is your timing chain tensioner. There's a piston. It got a spring in it. You want to make sure not to lose any of that. So keep that intact. place that somewhere where if it does come apart, it's all there. It's no, we're not gonna wipe it off with the rag. We don't want no lint on it, so we'll just sit it up here. We can clean the windshield another day. All right. So we got tension on our chain. Now we want to get that pickup tube out. It should be a 10 millimeter. It might be. I think it's a 13 millimeter bolt. We should be able to twist this oil pump a little bit. To gain access to that 13 millimeter. Yeah, it's a 13. I can feel it. It's a 13. Yep. Yeah. It's a 13 millimeter. Also, we're gonna let down this oil pan a little bit. We're gonna take out a couple bolts on the side and let down that oil pan. Let's see, 1, 2, 3. Another one over here. And then because it's a metal oil pan, we can bend it just a little bit. The sides anyway, it'll come down. Yep. It'll also go right back in place. This is metal. As long as the sealing is correct, then we're good to go. Oop, hold on now. Open now. Transmission lines. Let's see. Oh, hold on. Oh, that's pretty far back. Let's see.
Sorry.
Nah, you good. That's right what I needed, actually.
You trying to get the pickup tube out?
That's right. Alright, so I have a wrench that I can get down in there. Let's see. Alright, let me get my wrench. Ooh. So, y'all see pretty much how it go. Y'all just stay tuned. I'll post more. Let me get this done. I'm gonna take videos of it, and you know, I'll do a little editing and everything, and post everything. Appreciate you. On the spot, Scott, mobile mechanic, 2014 Dodge Ram 1500 5.7 Hemi oil pump replacement. Peace. Like and subscribe.